Now in the next part of OBS Studio working, let's have a look at the various sources through which you can create variety of e-contents. For that, go to sources, click on this plus sign. So this is a complete list of sources. The first one is audio input capture. This you can make use of for creating several audio lectures in which there will be no image, no text. It will be just an audio recording. Then audio output capture, browser, color source, display capture, game capture, image slideshow, media source, scene, text, video capture device, and window capture. We will be making use of some of the sources in this list. Rest of them you can explore on your own. The first one that I would like to show you is face recording. Face recording is nothing but it is similar to the way in which you deliver lectures in classrooms. In the same way, you can record your video and you can distribute it to the students. During this lockdown period, this video capture device, you can make use of it and you can record your lectures and pass it on to students. So for that, I will just click on this option, create new, OK. This particular video capture device source, it is going to make use of your laptop webcam. Click on OK. Now see, you can see me. Right now it is occupying just a little space. If you want to expand it, right click over here, transform में जाकर you need to click on stretch to screen. Okay, so now you can see your image or your video, it is occupying the complete screen. So once you have made this settings, click on start recording option. You start recording your lecture, whatever topic you want to cover. Welcome your students and start recording it. And once you feel it is done, just click on stop recording. Okay. And since my work is done, so I will click on it and I will remove this particular source as of now. Are you sure you want to remove it? Yes. Now I want to see whether my recording is done properly. For that, I will go to File, Show Recordings. Now see, here you can see the recording. I will just click on it. You start recording your lecture, whatever topic you want to cover. Welcome your students and start recording it. And once you feel it is done, just click on stop recording. Okay. So in this way, you can go for video recording of lectures. So that was the face recording part. Now in the next part, we will see the next source. Thank you.